How to log into Fraser Health Career. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into Fraser Health Career. Login in Fraser Health Career is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit Fraser Health Career, type Fraser Health Career, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Find the login option. Once you are on the Fraser Health Career homepage, locate the log back in button. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Enter your credential. On the login page, you'll typically see fields to enter your email address and your password. Input the email address associated with your Fraser Health Care in the designated field. Then enter the password in the provided field. If you have logged in with Facebook or LinkedIn, you can choose that. If you have forgotten your password or username, click on forgot your username or password. Click on sign in. After entering your credential, click on the sign in button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Access your account. If the credentials you provided are correct, you will be logged into Fraser Health Career. You should have access to your account dashboard where you can view job openings, update your profile and perform other relevant action. That's it, you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.